Hey, I got my good friend Cowboy Bob here
That's
today.
right there, Britt. Thanks for the invitation. It's really nice of you.
Well, I'll tell you what, every time we have Cowboy burgers, I think of you. And I think, man, I need Cowboy Bob over here to enjoy these
I'm
things.
glad he brought me here today.
Yeah, they are good, so stay tuned and we're going to show you how to make some great burgers.
That's right. You stay tuned right there. Don't go anywhere.
Hey, there are the ingredients. We'll also copy them in the show notes. Any questions? Alright, now you know the ingredients. It's time to dust the onion rings. Once we're done dusting them, we're going to make our wet batter. We're going to dip them, and then we're going to put them in panko. It's too easy. It really is. But if you follow this, I guarantee you're going to have really nice, crispy onion rings. Alright, set up your deep fryer to 375. We use peanut oil in ours. Yum. Be careful the way you place your onion rings in there. You don't want any splatter.
That is a wonderful placement of those onion rings. It reminds me of the time where I used to place my lasso just securely around that little heifer.
Well, will you look at them cook? Man, they're looking nice and golden brown. Can't wait to eat them. Alright, set your grill or cooker up to 365.
Well, I'll tell you what, there, Britt, that looks really good. You got it cranked up there to 365 degrees. You're looking at 135 and 140, 45 to make it nice, medium rare. That's a wonderful cut.
Yeah, go ahead and load them up. Close that cooker up and keep an eye on them. After about 5 to 7 minutes, if they look right, it's time to flip them.
It's looking good. You're on the right track, my friend. You're on the right track.
Alright, once you flip them, gotta let them cook a little bit longer. And when they get to be just about your done temperature, throw on some cheese. We used a little Munster cheese because, man, it looks nice. Just leave it on there until it starts to melt and then pull them off. Hey, don't worry, Mike. We're gonna toast our buns.
Oh, Britt, that's wonderful, man. I'm getting flashbacks of when I used to cross the Dakotas, just driving that herd. You got a toasted bun. You got those really nice. You got your patty and that's really good sauce. Giddy up sauce.
What's Giddy Up Sauce? Just mix these 4 ingredients together and you'll make a damn good sauce.
And that bacon on there. And those onion rings there. That just captures everything in the Cowboy burger. Good job, Britt! Yeah!
Don't forget to make a few extra burgers for your buddies. They are pretty darn good. Trust me.
Well, partner, what do you say we try these Cowboy burgers out?
I say that's a darn good idea, Britt, because that's what we do around here after we make things happen, right?
All right. Well, let's get after it.
Let's get after
Oh, man, when you look at that thing.
it. It's calling my name, Britt. Calling my name. Here we go.
Oh, yeah.
My goodness, I'm being called up right now, Britt. I'm gonna tell you something. I wouldn't want to be anywhere else than right now enjoying this wonderful burger, Cowboy burger, Britt. Good.
Woo! Yeah! Makes me want to get out on the range!
And look what it does to anybody who enjoys the Cowboy burger.
Hey, beer drinkers. Hope you enjoyed that show. I know Cowboy Bob did.
I sure did. You take that to the bank. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Once we hit 400 subscribers, we're gonna be giving away a cool beer drinker shirt just like this. It might even be the same shirt. So share us with your friends, with your parents, with your relatives, with anybody that will subscribe.
Anybody subscribe.
Yeah.
That's right. Bring it on. And if
All
it's
right.
the same shirt, I'd love to get that shirt because it cooked these great cowboy burgers.
Oh yeah. So remember, until next time, drink beer,
Mostly craft beer.
but not too much.
That's right, not too much.
Yeah.
Woo!